So today we will continue with the first lesson in chapter 4, use arrays to divide. And what we are going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Let's see the question. Okay, so to start, my heroes, I want you to open your books page. Tell me, what page is this?
155.
Again?
100.
Yes, Abdullah?
159.
Yes, Abdullah, it's 159. Okay, go ahead everyone, open your books page 159. Great. Okay. Yesterday we solved questions 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me remind you how we do this. And I will solve one of these questions to make sure that you get the main idea. Okay, let's see here question number 5. In question number 5, just a second. There are 25 counters. The counters are in 5 equal rows. How many counters are in each row? So, to do this, we start with 5 equal rows. So, we put 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we start putting counters till we reach the number 25. So, these are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we need to count how many columns are there, or how many counters in each row. So you can count the counters in each row, or you can count the number of columns. So let's count. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 counters in each row. So we have 5 rows. These are 5 rows. 5 rows of 5. And as a division equation, 25 divided by 5 equals the number here that we should write as the answer is the number in each row, which is 5. And remember, we have names. The first number here, we call it, do you remember what do we call this number? The first number in division?
25.
25. No, we have a name for this number. The number that we divide.
Divisor.
No, not divisor.
Division.
No, the division is the operation.
Divisor.
Dividend. No, dividend. And the 5 here is the divisor. This one is the divisor, the number that we divide by. And the answer is the quotient. Okay, I will go back to the previous page to show you the names. As you see here, for this division, we have 40 divided by 5. And 40 is the dividend. The number that we divide is the dividend. The number that we divide by is the divisor. And the answer is the quotient. Of course, we have the answer for this one, it's 8. So the quotient is 8. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Yes, any problems? Yes, Ali?
What page?
Page 159. Okay, we solved questions 5, 6, 7, and 8 yesterday. So today we will start with question number 9. In question number 9, we need to write a division equation for the array.
Multiplication.
Excuse me? Ali Shakhs, you are using your mic. Okay, let's go ahead with the first one, question number 9. Okay. Ali Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ali, as you see here, we have this array, and we need to write the
Which
division
is
equation.
8.
The total number is 8. So we have 8
Yeah.
in all. So we write 8, okay, as the dividend.
Divided by 2.
Divided by 2, okay. Why 2?
Because we have 2 columns.
We have 2 columns, and we have how many rows?
2. 4.
4. So 8 divided by 2 equals
4.
4. Do you have another answer for the same question?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
8 divided by 4 equal 2.
Excellent, Ali. Thank you, my hero. Great work. So we start with the dividend, and the dividend is the total number of counters that we have, which is 8. Then we can divide by the number of rows or by the number of columns. If we divide by the number of columns, we get 8 divided by 2, so the divisor is 2. In this case, the quotient should be the number of rows, 4. Or you can do this using the divisor as the number of columns, of rows, sorry. So you divide 8 into 4 rows, 4 equal rows, and you get 2 counters in each row. So this one is correct, and this one also is correct. Okay, and now I want to ask a question. Do we have any other answer for question number 9? Any other possible answer for question number 9?
No.
Of course no. Thank you, Ali. So we don't have any other answer for question number 9. We can write this: 8 divided by 2 equals 4, or 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and we don't have any other answers. Okay, I want you, my heroes, to write the 2 answers. This one and this one. Write the 2 answers. And let's move to the next question.
Teacher?
Yes? Yes, Ahmed.
Me, Ahmed Yusuf Shab, I finished it yesterday.
Great. Check your work with us. And here in question number 9, I said write the 2 answers. Write the 2 possible answers.
Question number.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
thank you, Ahmed.
correct all.
Great. Okay, let's move to the next question. Abdullah Rashid.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
40.
So the total here is 40. Great.
Yeah.
And how many rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And how many columns?
10.
Okay. So give me your answer.
I got it here. I did it by myself. Okay, just wait.
So what is the dividend?
The dividend. What the dividend?
The dividend is the number that we divide.
40.
Okay, so I should write here 40. And you can choose any of the 2 numbers as a divisor.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
So what is the divisor?
40.
What?
40.
Yes, you said 40 is the dividend. And what number are you dividing by, the divisor?
10.
Okay.
I mean, then
What?
equals 4.
Okay, I will write 10 as the divisor, and the quotient should be 4. Okay, give me the other correct answer. You have another answer for this one?
40.
Okay.
4
Divided by 4 equals
10.
Excellent. Thank you, Abdullah. Great work. Okay, guys, do you have any problems with these questions, 9 and 10?
No. Nope.
Okay, as I said before, if you don't have any problems, you do not use your mics. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 11.
Teacher, wait. Someone said yes.
If this is not you, so you don't need to speak. Any problems? Okay. Abdullah Durman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, question number 11. Would you please read the question for us?
Your friend had 63 counters and 7 equal rows. Your friend says that finding 7 divide 63 will give the number of columns. Is your friend correct?
Okay. Do you agree with your friend? He says that we
Yes.
should divide 7 divided by 63 to find the number of columns. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. What is the total number of counters?
Seven?
Oh, you have 7 counters in all? No, you have 7 equal rows. So, the total number of counters is 63. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. You want anyone to tell me what should be the dividend?
I know the dividend.
Yes. Okay, yes.
I know, Abdullah Duman. I know.
Oh, okay, so
I know.
just a second. Abdullah Durman. Yes, what should be the dividend?
63.
Excellent. The dividend should be 63 because 63 is the total. So you don't agree with this. Since you should write the 63 first because it's the dividend, then write the divisor, which is 7. So the answer should be no, we don't agree with him. Why? Because the total number of counters is the total number of counters is 63. So the equation should be, or the sentence should be 63 divided by 7 gives the number of columns. So let's change the color. Okay, so 63 divided by 7 gives the number of columns.
Teacher, I don't see the page. First page, I don't have only the first page. I have it 400 and
The first page is 400.
I have the first page. I have is 405.
Did you use your book yesterday?
Yesterday I buy the new book that's like this. We're still in the first one.
In the first book. Okay, check it in the first book.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Okay, guys, please finish writing quickly.
Finish.
Great.
Teacher,
Yes?
I know 63 divided by 7 equals.
Oh, you want to say the number of columns, the answer, the quotient. Okay, say it.
9.
Great, so 63 divided by 7 equals 9. Excellent, Abdullah, thank you. Is there anyone writing?
No. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay, 10 more seconds and we move to the next page. Okay, now my heroes, I should move to the next page. Is there anyone writing?
Yes, teacher.
Quickly, Baha, quickly, my hero.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
If it's urgent, Abdullah, go quickly. Okay, now I should move to the next page. If you miss anything, Baha, you should watch the video. I erased it, I'm sorry. Okay, when we move to the next page, we have this question. Let's see it. I will use this page. Is it the same question? Let's check that it's the same. Yes, it's the same. Okay, two groups of students are playing a flip and find game. Your group arranged 48 cards in 8 equal rows. The other group arranged 28 cards in 4 equal rows. So we have two groups. The first group is your group. 48 cards in 8 equal rows. The other group arranged 28 cards in 4 equal rows. Which group has rows with more cards? So the question is asking about in which of the two groups has more cards in each row. The number of cards in each row. So we should find the number of cards in each row for the first group and find the number of cards in each row for the second group. How can we do this? Maybe
by dividing.
Yes, by dividing. And we can of course use counters and put them in an array. Let's start with the first group. Your group arranged 48 cards in 8 equal rows. Let's do it. Okay, let's draw. These are 48. And as you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal rows. So, this is for your group. Help me, my heroes. How many cards or how many counters in each row? I mean the number of columns.
6.
Great, so we have 6 columns or 6 cards in each row. Okay, let's do the same for the second group, the other group. We have 28 cards in all, and we need to put 28 cards in 4 equal rows. Okay, let's do it. 28. So we put them in 4 equal rows. We get, okay, we need to write the division equation first for this one. Okay. Let's write the division equation for the first group, your group. We have 48 rows in 48 cards in 8 equal rows. I need the division equation, and Abdurrahman Thwaiqab.
Excuse me, teacher, page number what?
The next page. عبد الرحمن الثويقب. أحمد السالم. خالد العجمي. خالد.
Yes.
Okay, Khalid. I need the division equation for this array. We have 8 rows and 6 columns, and the total is 48. Okay, give me the division equation.
The division equation? Okay.
What is the dividend? The total?
The total, it is 48.
So we start with the dividend, 48, and we divide by the number of equal rows, which is 8. So the divisor should be 8. And what is the quotient?
Yeah.
The answer? So it's 48 divided by 8 equals?
6.
Great, excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the next one. 28 cards in 4 equal rows. So we get this array. And for this array, we have 28 in all. And we put them in 4 equal rows. Help me, my heroes. How many cards in each row? Yes, Hassan?
7.
7. Yes, so we have 7 cards in each row. Okay, let's try the division equation, and I will ask one of my heroes to help me. Baha? Baha? My heroes, when I call you, you should answer me quickly. Baha? Ahmed Abdul Majid?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Ahmed, go ahead. The division?
98.
Again?
28.
28 divided by?
4.
Equals?
7.
Excellent. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, so now as you can see, my heroes, which group has rows with more cards? Your group or the other group?
Group.
Again?
Other group.
The other group. Excellent. So the answer should be the other group has rows with more cards. Okay, please finish writing quickly, my heroes. Muhammad Al-Abbad, do you have any problems? Would you please mute your mic? Muhammad Al-Abbad?
I finished.
Okay, Ahmed? When you finish, try to solve question number 12. Page 160, question number 12. And I need to check some names. Ahmed Salim, Baha, Abdurrahman al-Thuwaiqib.
Yes, teacher.
Who's this?
Abdurrahman al-Thuwaiqib.
I called you Abdurrahman and you didn't respond. Why?
Because my mic, I don't know, teacher, what happened.
Okay. Try to solve question number 12.
Well, I don't see, teacher. I don't see the screen.
Page 160. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. And please, when I call you again, you should respond quickly. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Baha? Ahmed Salim? Okay, my heroes, is there anyone writing or drawing?
No. I don't finish.
Okay, quickly, my hero. 10 more seconds.
I finished.
Great, Ahmed. Go to question 12. And when you finish solving question 12, just raise your hand. Okay, now I will go back to the book. And let's see question number 12. Hussein Al-Abbad,
Yes, teacher.
would you please read the question for us?
Yes. Newton arranges 12 magnets in 6 equal rows.
Descartes?
Yes. Arranges 15 magnets in 3 equal rows. How has rows with more magnets?
So the question is asking about the number in each row. So we need to draw the arrays,
Yes.
or we can use division.
Yes.
Okay, did you solve the question?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me your answer.
12
Okay.
divide 6 equals 2.
Okay, so this is for Newton. Let's go for Descartes.
Yes.
Descartes.
15.
Great. Divided by?
Yes. 3
Mm-hmm.
equals 5.
Okay, so who has more in each row?
15.
Okay, Newton or Descartes? The first one or the second one?
15
Yes, so Descartes
Second.
has more in each row, right?
Yes.
So
Second.
Yes, so the answer
Second.
should be Descartes. So we write
Yes.
Descartes has more in each row. Okay, thank you, Hussein. Great
Yes.
work.
Welcome.
And now, my heroes, I'll send to you the link of the game. Do you have any questions, any problems?
Teacher?
Yes?
It's the same. The quizzes. It's the same. The book you're gonna put.
Okay, let's start with the first question. 12 trees were planted in 3 rows. To determine how many trees are in each row, we would do which of the following? Of course, you should distribute or divide the 12 trees in 3 rows. So this is division. You should divide. Any problems?
Teacher, I can't see your screen.
Okay, just give me a second. I'll share it again. Now, do you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Any problems with the first question? Okay, let's move to the next one. The answer to a division problem is called, the answer is the quotient. So, it's quotient. The number used to divide by. The number used to divide by in division problem is called, the number that we divide by is called divisor. The second number is called divisor. Okay, which division equation matches this array? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 4 columns and 20 counters in all, 20 triangles. So the correct choice should be 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Of course, we have another correct answer, 20 divided by 5 equals 4, but we don't have it here. So the first one here, 20 divided by 5 equals 5, is wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one. 21 divided by 3, of course, 7. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. A cereal box holds 18 cups of cereal. Each serving is 2 cups. How many servings are in the box? Okay, so we should divide the 18 by 2. And 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay, my heroes, do you have any problems, any questions?
Teacher.
Yes, Ali?
I know what 16 divided by 2.
Okay. This is 18, not 16.
18 divided by 2
It's
equals
9. Okay, so the correct choice is 9. Thank you, Ali.
Because
okay.
9 times 2 equals 18.
Excellent, Ali. Thank you. Okay, my heroes. See you tomorrow and goodbye.